Welcome to your mindfulness break. Today we are going to be so mindful of the movement of our arms and how we're breathing that it's going to force us to be present and block out anything else. So this exercise is called heart bombs, and we're really going to tense up the arms as we go. Inhale, breathing in and putting the hands on the heart. As you do that, you can feel the heart. But then, as soon as the hands have been still for a moment, the heart bomb is going to explode with a very powerful exhale. So, as your arms are out, you're going to tense up the arms like this, and you're going to slowly inhale the arms in. Again, slowly inhale the arms in to the heart. Feel the heartbeat for a moment. And exhale. Slowly inhale. Feel your heartbeat. Explode. And last time, slowly inhale. Feel the heartbeat. And that is something you can use to release any negative emotion anytime. And thank you for taking the time to be mindful so that you can be calm and spread that calm to others.